Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to Paradise. I am Ismat.
Why is your divine masculine is attracted to another woman? If you are divine feminine and if you are a woman, then this question is for you. But if you are a divine feminine and you are a male, then the question is, why is your divine masculine is attracted to another man? Or why is she looking at another man? So the thing is, our journey as light workers, that we are here, we are cleansing the negative energy. So there are many negativities that exist in us that we are not even aware of. And one such negativity is that we see ourselves to be flawed in many ways. Maybe it's something that I don't like about my hair, the way my hair is, the color I don't like. I don't like my eye color. I don't like my nose. I don't like my body. So these are the negativities that exist in us. And as a result, what happens is that from a childhood, ever since we were children, we see that everybody around us, we are always admiring someone's look, the way they are. We look up to models and we want to look like the model. We want to have a hair like that, body like that, or if we are or something that we admire in another person. But what that does is that we are taking our attention away from us and we are seeing our flaws and we want to change ourselves. We are taking our attention away from us and looking at someone else, comparing ourselves with that person. Comparison, that's another negativity. We are to look only to ourselves and find all perfection. I am perfect in my own world. I need to look at myself as the perfection. I need to see the best of everything in me. I am not to look at another person and think that she is better or he is better than me, or they have something that I don't have. So this is the negativity that needs to be removed from us. So like I said, ever since we are children, we adapt this negativity without even knowing. And when we are in public places, we see someone with nice hair, nice look, we become attracted to that, attracted to their beauty. So this is something we do it very unconsciously. It just becomes a second nature to do that. And that's what needs to be changed, or that negative energy needs to be cleansed in us. So this is what we need to do. So I'm going to say it from my own perspective. Okay, I need to look at myself in the mirror and see the most beautiful person that ever can exist. Each one of us have our own world. Okay, you have yours, I have mine. Everyone has their own world. And in my world, I need to see myself the only person that exists in this world, and the only person who is the most beautiful, only woman that exists to be the most prettiest, the most intelligent, most perfect person. I don't need to look at myself and compare with anybody else. If I ever take the time to compare myself with another person, then I am just going away from my own self. Okay, I'm going away from my world.
Don't give any importance to anyone's opinions about you, including your DMs, whether it is positive or negative, because in your own world you are an independent soul, and you must only rely on yourself for all your needs and not expect them from anyone else.
So this is how we are cleansing that energy, that negativity. And once we take away our attention from anything on the outside and focus only on myself, that is when our divine masculine is going to only focus on me, because I am focusing on myself, the divine that I am. He will also focus on me because he is my reflection. So this is something that needs to be cleansed in us. We divine feminine, we need to do this work for ourselves. We need to see the best of everything in ourselves, and that's how we cleanse this negative energy. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys next time.